I'm so glad you're here. Today we're going to be continuing our work with part-whole problems, using addition and subtraction to figure out how many more we need to make a whole. Let's get started.
Turn to page 45 in your workspace book. We will do numbers 1 and 2 on page 45 in your workspace book together. The title of this page says, How many more dollars to get to $100? The directions say, Step 1, write money saved. Each dollar sign is $1 saved. So in the example, they have 11 dollar signs on their grid, so they wrote $11 on the money saved line. Step 2, draw an open number line to figure out how much to get to $100. You can do addition or subtraction. We will do both in our examples. Number 3 says write an equation. Number 4 says write how much to get to $100. So after you solve, you write your answer on the line for money needed to get to $100. Numbers 1 and 2 are on page 45. We will do these two together. You will do page 46 on your own later. So make sure you have your workspace book out and a pencil ready so that you can follow along.
We're going to do the problems on page 45 together. I'm going to show it on my whiteboard here, and you're going to fill in the page as we go. Number 1 has this grid chart. We need to figure out how much money was saved. To do that, we are going to count up how many dollar signs we see. Well, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If a row is 10 and I have 2 rows, how much money have I saved? Right, I have saved $20. Okay, go ahead and record that now. We need to figure out how much more money we need to get to 100. So we can solve this two ways, with addition and with subtraction. We're going to write an equation and complete an open number line. We're going to do subtraction first. We know that we need to get to 100. Right now, we only have 20. What subtraction jump can we do? Well, to get from 100 to 20, we would need to subtract 80. So our equation would be 100 minus 80 equals 20. We have a part, and they make a whole together. So a whole minus a part equals the other part. If we were going to do addition, we would have our 20, and we know that we need to get to 100. The question is, what does our jump need to be to get there? Well, that would be plus 80. Our equation for this would be 20 plus 80 equals 100. You can choose whichever makes the most sense to you, whether it's subtraction or addition. Go ahead and fill out your page now. Now let's look at number 2 on this page. Number 2. We need to figure out how much money has already been saved. So we count 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. $49 have already been saved. We can look over here to do our open number lines and our equations. Let's start with subtraction. For subtraction, we need to put both of the numbers we know on our open number line. We know we need to get to 100. We know we're going to be subtracting from 100 something to get to 49. We need to figure out what that something is. So what do I take away here? Well, I would do a jump of something to get me close to 49, like 50 would be really close, because then I could do a little jump from 50 to 49. 100 minus what is 50? Well, that's an easy one. 50 100 minus 50 is 50. Then 50 minus what is 49? Well, that's minus 1. Then I need to add up my two parts here that I did my jumps with. 50 and 1 makes 51. So 100 minus 51 is 49. How much money do we still need? We still need $51. I can also show this with addition. For my open number line, I'm going to put my 49 and my 100. But this time what I need to do is make my jumps forward. It'd be nice and easy to jump to 50 again. 49 to 50 is plus 1. 50 to 100 is plus 50. Now my equation would read 49 plus 51 equals 100. Go ahead and write that down now.
Turn to page 46. You will complete the rest of page 46 on your own. On page 42, you will play Get Close to Zero with 2 cubes. Remember, for Get Close to Zero with 2 cubes, you get to choose which roll you use as your 10s and which one you use as your 1s. You also get as many turns as you need.